How to download Bluestacks on MacBook. This process is very easy as long as you follow through. You will not encounter any problems in the future. So simply open up your Safari in your MacBook or any web browser that you can use. Now in your search box, just simply type in Bluestacks here. Choose on the very first result that will redirect you to Bluestacks official website, and then do not choose any um, download sources from different websites. Simply choose on their official site. So what you need to download is the Bluestacks here. Simply hit on download Bluestacks, and there are only 3 steps for you to be able to install it on your MacBook. Open up the BlueStacks installer.pkg on your MacBook, install it, and then launch the specific client. That is how you download BlueStacks on MacBook.